So some more practical problems depending on ratio and proportion we will discuss now. The work done by x minus 3 men in 2x plus 1 days and the work done by 2x plus 1 man in x plus 4 days are in the ratio 3:10. Find the values of x. So remember the relationship between work done and man. Is it a direct relationship or the inverse relationship? If we increase the work, we have to apply more men. Means to do more work done, we have to apply more men. But if we apply less persons to apply the same work done, number of days will be increased. Means this is the inverse relationship. The relationship between men and days is a inverse relationship. Is that clear to you? Inverse relationship means what? Means if on increasing one, they are inversely proportional to each other. If we increase the men, less days will be engaged. If we decrease the number of men, decrease the number of persons, more number of days will be used. Means the relationship between man, relationship, which type of relationship? Inverse relationship is there between man and days. So whenever there is inverse relationship, we do something which is different than the usual method. In unitary method, we know that whenever we have like 5 chocolates, cost of 5 chocolates is equal to rupees 25. And if you find the cost of 1 chocolate, it is rupees 25 by 5, means rupees 5. So we divide. If we have been given for more and we have to find 1, we divide. And then if we want to find the cost of 3 chocolate, then we again multiply. 5 3s are 15. This is done in case of direct relationship. As we know that if number of chocolates are increased, their cost is also increased. If one of them is decreased, other will also decrease. These types of relation are direct relationship. So similar thing is used in this question. When we find for 1, it increases, due to which in place of division, in this we have to use the method of multiplication, as it is the inverse relationship. So in this question, the work done by x minus 3 men. So we write, if we find the ratio of their work done is 3:10. So how to find what is the ratio of this 3:10? We have to find the work done by x minus 3 men in 2x plus 1 day. For this, if we assume one man does, as we want to work done by one man, this statement is very important, remember, in these types of questions. As we have been given the ratio of work done. So we will find the work done for both the statement. So how to find work done for both the statement is also very important. For if we use work done by one man, let's assume that work done of one man in 1 day equals to x. Work done of one man in 1 day equals to x. Is that clear? So This time it is the direct relationship as we are finding the work done. If number of men increases, work done also increases. If we involve now, how many men are there? X minus P men. So in one day, in question X is already given. So in place of X, if we use Y, it will be better. Work done of X minus 3 men in a one day, what will be it? Clearly, it is the direct relationship between work done and men. So it will be increased. It is X minus P into Y work. Again, if we use work done of X minus 3 men in how many days? 2x plus 1 days. It will give x minus 3 into y into 2x plus 1 work. So it is also the direct relationship. Why? If number of days is increased, number of work done is also increased. That's why we are multiplying again. Now, similarly, if we use the second statement, work done by 2x plus 1 man in x plus 4 days. So we again taking this line as the principal line. Use it. Work done of 2x plus 1 man in x plus 4 days. Again, it will be multiplied like the previous statement. So 2x plus 1 into y into x plus 4 work. Now, the ratio of their work done is given 3:10. So first we find the ratio in our assumption, that is x minus 3 into y into 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 into y into x plus 4. And according to question, the ratio is 3:10. So that we are using the concept of word problems in this question also. X minus 3 into y into 2x plus 1 over 2x plus 1 into y into x plus 4 equals to 3/10. It implies y will be cancelled out, 2x plus 1 will be cancelled out, x minus 3 over x plus 4 equals to 3/10. And it implies 10 into x minus 3 equals to 3 into x plus 4. It implies 10x minus 30 equals to 3x plus 12. It implies 10x minus 3x equals to plus 30 plus 12. It implies 7x equals to 42. And it implies x equals to 6, which is the answer. And we have to find only the value of x in this question. So this is the answer. Value of x is 7. Hope you all must have understood this method. Otherwise, write in comment box.